In the 60-minute candlestick chart of ETHUSDT, we see a key interaction between the current price, 2420.68, and the 200-day moving average, which is currently at 2541.44. The recent price action shows a sharp decline from the 2500 range, closely correlated with a significant drop in trading volume. The drop is particularly visible when volume surged on the downtrend and then began to taper off. This surge occurred as the price broke below the 50-day moving average, signaling bearish momentum. However, the price has begun to stabilize, potentially suggesting a reversal. The current 100-day moving average is also providing resistance near 2500, indicating that ETHUSDT needs to break this level to confirm a bullish recovery. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, for ETHUSDT is sitting at 45.48, suggesting neutral conditions. This is a critical level as the coin is not overbought or oversold. Historically, ETHUSDT has seen reversals at this mid-level, often recovering when RSI moves between 40 to 50. If the RSI breaks below 40, it may indicate a further decline to test lower support levels, but if it moves towards 50, we might expect a bullish uptrend in the short term. A rise in the RSI beyond 70 would signal an overbought condition, likely triggering a pullback. Currently, the market seems indecisive, and RSI will be a key indicator to watch. The stochastic oscillator for ETHUSDT is currently at 73.33, indicating that the coin is nearing overbought territory. The previous occasions when the stochastic oscillator reached this level, ETHUSDT experienced a sharp pullback. If the stochastic continues to rise above 80, it could signal a short-term overbought condition, prompting a correction. On the flip side, if the oscillator trends downward, ETHUSDT could experience a retracement towards the 2400 level before making another attempt to break higher. Watching how the oscillator behaves will provide clues about the immediate future of ETHUSDT. The MACD for ETHUSDT shows a bullish trend, with the MACD line at 7.82 currently above the signal line at 8.92. However, this crossover is still weak, and a strong divergence between the two lines is necessary for a more confirmed bullish trend. The MACD histogram has been steadily shrinking, indicating the momentum may soon turn bearish if a stronger breakout doesn't occur. Historically, ETHUSDT tends to rally when the MACD and signal lines diverge, but as of now, the upward movement looks uncertain without a stronger signal. The Bollinger Bands are tightening on the ETHUSDT chart, with the upper band at 2446.18 and the lower band at 2386.89. Tightening bands usually signal that volatility is low, and a breakout in either direction is imminent. Since ETHUSDT is hovering near the lower band, it may suggest that the coin is oversold in the short term. If it manages to break above the middle band and move toward the upper band, this could indicate a bullish move. On the other hand, if it falls below the lower band, we may see an accelerated drop towards the 2380 support level. In terms of Fibonacci retracement, ETHUSDT is currently sitting below the 61.8% level at 2435.81. The price at 2420.68 indicates that the coin is testing critical support. Historically, ETHUSDT has seen strong support at the 61.8% level, often bouncing back when it approaches this area. If it fails to hold this level, the next major support lies at 50.0% retracement at 2489.73, and further down at the 38.2% level, which stands at 2543.64. A failure to maintain these levels could see ETHUSDT dropping toward the 2261.26 mark. The daily candle chart for ETHUSDT shows a significant decrease in price over the last year, with major highs around the 3,500 mark and lows near 1,800. The average trading volume during this period has also declined significantly, particularly during the most recent downturn. These drops in price have often been accompanied by brief surges in volume, especially during sell-offs, indicating panic selling. The low current volume might suggest that ETHUSDT is nearing the end of its decline, as trading interest wanes before a potential reversal. In the 3-year weekly chart for ETHUSDT, the coin has been finding resistance at the 2,500 level, which it has struggled to break above in recent months. This level has served as a major resistance point multiple times in the last 3 years, making it crucial for ETHUSDT's long-term bullish outlook. If ETHUSDT manages to break this level, it could aim for the 3,000 resistance level seen in earlier years. However, long-term support around 2,000 is also strong, and a failure to hold 2,500 could see ETHUSDT retesting those lower levels. General review: after analyzing all the indicators and charts, ETHUSDT appears to be at a pivotal moment. The RSI and Stochastic Oscillator are nearing overbought levels, and the Bollinger Bands are tightening, indicating an impending breakout. The MACD suggests a weak bullish trend, but the low volume and Fibonacci retracement levels signal that caution is necessary. If ETHUSDT fails to break above key resistance levels, a further decline toward the 2,400 or 2,260 levels could be imminent. However, if it manages to gain momentum and break 2,500, the next target could be 2,700. Investors should closely monitor the short-term technical signals before making any significant moves.